Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful skill: how to add a footer in PowerPoint 2025. Whether you're creating presentations for work, school, or personal projects, footers can add a professional touch by including slide numbers, dates, or custom text like your company logo. It's a quick way to make your slides look polished and consistent. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your PowerPoint presentation. If you don't have one, just create a new slide deck to follow along. Once you're in, head to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. It's usually right in the middle of the ribbon. In the text group, look for the header and footer button and click it. This will open a dialog box where the magic happens. Here, you have a few options. Check the box for date and time if you want to include the current date, slide number for automatic numbering, or footer to add your own custom text. For example, if you're adding a footer with your name or a disclaimer, type it into the footer box. Make sure to preview how it looks at the bottom of your slides. If you only want the footer on specific slides, select those first before opening the dialog. Otherwise, click Apply to All to add it everywhere. Once you're happy with your settings, hit Apply or Apply to All, and watch it appear. Pro tip: if you need to edit or remove the footer later, just go back to Insert, Header and Footer and make your changes. It's that simple and won't mess up your other content. Adding a footer is a game changer for making your presentations more organized and impressive. Give it a try on your next project. You'll thank yourself later. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.